Hello and welcome everyone. Anita Karim also Tibetan Community Cup kaji last match today, the final day kaji match 2, the last match which will be in Miramar. Miramar dita ngaranzo sabta ditis jashin buche ani the samai kense la the Miramar de langazo DMR the sniper the spray target full long distance fight to really mangshi ruyo the close distance fight lana the last zone de chana mash last zone je yo Miramar ga last zone na one this zone match chimbu yo zone is this chimbu da khatu ni yo zone chu chu do ke yo this zone is mangshi yo Miramar da chungir yo odi ta di Miramar game chimi de da one ora de la shuri pata ne yo long distance fight ni jimu theory Sheba when survive Shefa Puchiri, Ngarazo playing party, Los Hikos, the El Zahar for the Judo. Ani Tikima, Los Leones, Ani San Martin Graveyard for Andutis, Graveyard the Jamla Pekato in Obsare, El Pozo, Monteniovo, La Compreria, La Torre Ahumada, Dinanso, Joella, One Capuchesta, El Pozo, the La Compreria, the all other drum waterful mortal in Jodu, Shemba, Montenio, Mortal in Cherisha, Shemba Sergeant Zola. Torre Ahumada, the Zonga this glide chine one or this Trona Notore. Chomdu was your Yas Leo that is glide chine or Trona Nukire. And EXP2 Horanzo, EXP2 was drop location Puerto Paraiso, EXP2 Horanzo Horanzo, new match Kachi, chicken dinner tangy Horanzo. And that's Horanzo Ning Jim shoots so with 13 kills. That is something to look up to, man. The opposite so EXP to Horanzo, Pering Los Leonis Horanzo Tomotonganisha, if the AW Horanzo Niga Pekato side the Drudu, unsexy Horanzo drop location San Martin Ray, and PS drop location Graveyard, Pika the body J, PS New Horanzo Map of Pidu, MC4 Horanzo do, Dukes the Tarik San Martin La, Mimongolia Risha, PS Horanzo de Paptu, bought the Pika Disa, Horanzo Summer San Martin Dresha. PS the one way Horanzo de la fight to so Graveyard la. One way versus PS. PS Doc one way Tennyson knockdown so. PS Doc with beautiful Uzi spray. PS Doc Horanzo Chachana de la Didisha. One way Horanzo Kimalo do PS Haji. Ani di one way Horanzo la Hakushu Cherisha. One way member Shiga. Chaplin Lamba Uzidu Chinese Corano Risha Tyson Gander River Chidisha Tyson La SKS Chigda SLR Risha SLR Chigda Shotgun Jidu Ani David Koran Lit Reson Grenade Key David Koran Landa M16 Risha Ani PS Top Dog Shoot Budu Koran Top Dog Koran the road across Haji compounds the loot Chidisha Mad Max Koran the one way Haji left Lache Drop on right lache, flame for center the two front la. Ani unsexy for on the chane motor line, Risha Jikang to Tisa the pick up para fight short so. Oh, Tisa bought ISO pitang so, bought a member, one member down, bought a G, Disa member chick down Risha. Discharge member down in Midu, discharge member Ganzal Hadisha, flame the one way Tennyson M16 guitar so. EG the AKS Horanzo took the shot. EG the AKS la face to face starting in boom bam Reja Galna. EG new EG Horanzo AKS drop location Della Lidisha. Rosong the shot that EG Horanzo AK drop location Chumasera la pub the shot. Bathroom motor Kinikam Koran cover to Alitu, Pause do Ken Kaniki bathroom. Horanzo EG membership down to the shot, Kizaru knock and finish. Obito Kani cover to the shot, Madara Hora de do, Kandi knock the shopping, the Gardilla revive the shot. Ani Kizaru the Ken Kaniki, I'm sorry, Ken Kaniki the bathroom Koran Gabni rig on the flank do, bathroom rig on the full flank do. PS draw ki adashin one way Chaplin knock on gitu. I guess Madara la net the effect ya masong adashin. This is sari. Tadi Sosha Kono. Ken Kaniki the Obito para 1v1 fight. UMP versus Vector. The face close combat la the UMP the Vector derang ita one the disho mare one UMP di namju clutch gun mare the UMP di UMP one clutch UMP your clutch yang one kyo buper. Ani Ken Kaniki la backup bathroom le so khona ani tata ora Obito khona fall back so ini fall back to su Ken Kaniki Obito juwe chance to Obito knocked down so UMPD. What a beautiful spray. Ken Kaniki ninja shoes so Obito that finished them in Yichigre. And Kaniki you want a cover fight in cover to so. Ani this is going to be a 3v3 situation. Well, two of the top Tibetan teams fighting right off the bat with only minimal vests and helmets and not so great guns. One Koran niga la lakse aku mindu Gandhi lo chashana Thompson jig the SKS 2 ni Madara la Vector the Mini 14 Resha Payne Thompson the M16 Resha Payne Koran yanchi one tin niga la menda aku mindu taini Obito la tangi Scarlet do samso ondi pause gi Obito Vector do so Doll King the Smoky God Koran so sing the shot Doll Clan the Smoky Taran the Smoky finished down so Doll King Smoky God finished down Wale Del Mar la fight took the shot Koran so Marvel Koran so drop location Minas Del Sur the prison la re Koran so one draw loot chine lolo chine Marvel Chester ka tuine Koran so chi the Miramar ga lineup na yore Marvel team ga ji Marvel Chester Marvel Groot just the group machine do oh third the TV Koran so bad gangla de sha tadi one ora Marvel gi no thare shoes split chija Koran so 2-on-2 dry sha Koran so TV the thor Koran ni ganga ji la Australia the chuma sera gi gap ji kamba chu ga the lu che sha the this such de la kyong chi ju kar na kisi easy Koran so the ichi the AKS di ganga ji ri de la kisi mi chi kle ora ji na wala seu se kya spray so shin tare re Kisi Miramar Mangu Tsengi Jina di saja di khatu ni prefer shima de kono di area di area la yo cho gangza display ra gangza rich sur gangza kono de la pop de shamaru kono one da di kono technique ji kire unsexy kono bot nyum do lost Saint Martin la kono ni thuk de sha unsexy ta bot ni ne disa ki bot member chi clear ta sare iso on the bot la chora diore unsexy with 4 members and bot with only 3 members. It's a 3v4 situation in Saint Martin. And Daran la Maranzuanda Chane fight twice should the AKS versus Ichi clan. It's a 3v3 situation. AKS under this 4 big chair try usury. I don't think so, but like bathroom you want a modata the flank shooting Jumunti to Ken Ganiki corner risk can the flank the sha Madara Veros Nangulu do Ani Pain Kora Kamba the double story car house Nanila. Matunita cross Sumja wa Kambal Popso. Chuma Sera was lower part of the Popso, lower part of the Pop was easy when they were choke on Sunday, Takoran's Corsasha, Coranzo Puele, Motajic Dwed doing a Motana Shuburu Lagani bathroom display that I Yanga Coranzola, Pausegi Gandhi Tawache, Ken Gandhi Gandhi Rich Cab rotated the Drutu, and bathroom Koran Gandhi Rigan de Tadesha, when they were at the AKS. Miracle jikyo with kesari AKS la ini AKS root chidan del na koran so lakcha apur rasari nambi chitang ni chashna yo lakcha tiga du yo wala lakcha shira apur rai mar chuma sera ji gang la lakcha bed ya ha rai chuma sera ji modi khadu ni chuma sera la paptu su chin gang za gang la pabe ga ji zegi do atari AKS koran so tapshi me osonsa AKS koran so khatu ro wala chom desha ken gani ki koran bathroom side la rotate in the rosom madara koran brick house the whole chair shot level 2 west ni shasha de la pause koran ki gane mini 14 ki spray tar vidu Gandhi koran road across la le sasha na tak road across la Gandhi tapin la Gandhi spray ready ken kani ki da bathroom da mini ka the spray ra nyanga shibu re Gandhi la spray ra so Gandhi lit so ani ken kani ki knockdown so madara with the beautiful tap from mini 14 ken kani ki clear dosare gi do schedule the bathroom gi ken kani kilatis covered in pa madra la spray tarna mashi and shuburu la kandi da pain ka ji wane push le risha pauche gi phani kis ro ko chu khe risha madra open la lidu pauche gi phani shara re vision rana vision rasha ini madra ko thar so phala thar so madra push du the phala 1v1 situation re bathroom the madra parala and one gandhi the pain gi push li du iji pause khora phala ha disha madra ken kani ki la net yu ne no tang si moli yu so in moli wala jo so moli khora khema so and dishu purul disa that if para la fight jo disha tip yuente gi disa trindel no tang so the intensified the shoe intense to disha. Let's see what madra do. Madurai Ken Kaniki revived teacher into the Ken Kaniki khona bleed out Chinisha, most probably bathroom was his bathroom with a beautiful vector. Niga vectors are so ani Madara say to so each bathroom with a beautiful clutch. The Ken Kaniki chicken revived to sare revived to so Gandhi the pain Koranita Kimal Kharso pausing panic over TJ ani bathroom the Ken Kaniki khona riga do. AKS starting the Tora, so AKS Horansula, AKS Tonship Shura de Shadadi, Iji Yaku shoots as the Monora. Gandhi the pain, the one or Yana fallback cherry, and the deep part of the miracle, one is young with Kerry Shahoranzola, AKS Horanzola, and an Iji Horanzo team Tepish Mari, Iji Horanzo, team Yakuting Ishre. Gandhi road cross Chido, road cross Shishubugani, Kankoranzo Luciella, and this. Khora zo lut ko do bathroom tha kang do ken kani ki khora boost kang marble thor la spray right do easy going strong marble thor rich with marble thor knock down sare marble thor knock down so bathroom with a beautiful spray bathroom on the third tuning to see do ine khora zone le so da marble thor finish have a guarantee re bathroom ki finish down so marble thor Trosa so starting here and Disa team also clear down so if ki and Disa is the not first team yapse Dosasha one way team clear Dosasha Disa team clear Dosasha and the third also BMX team also join chi to me do BMX for membership join chi also. So we have only 16 teams in this match. 16 team now the team ni other clear Dosasha Disa the one way team one way for also PS team to fight to the PS one way clear tangsha if the Disa clear tangso unsexy koranzo bot koranzo fallback in the unsexy member shita yo sonza unsexy koranzo zone zu do bot koranzo fallback chisa sha bot ada graveyard diwala veros tigore veros de la koranzo do ta koranzo iji gi anda iji zone la fallback chain sare ni do so do pause gandi vision ne ta di koranzo sui hole manga chi betare sula ba loot yaga yo betare Gandhi ki pause la short targidu with SKS ki Gandhi ki pause la SKS ki short targidu ani as pause korang gangal hadisha Marvel good ki draw king tang so Marvel the draw para la fight to do Chester and Groot versus Troll Groot ki draw king finish tang so Chester the Groot korang idela tu Troll ga member shempal khangza Troll got member Shimba K2S game to fight to Risha member ni dela do membership gabla do YouTuber hang koran to gabne zone su sulle Risha YouTuber hang koran one ora kola ba help ta yakudu koran zone na de nyopsare ba si koran motor chimi do anda kangtha Risha ani zone zoya la kamani da second chunga lo di EXP to koran zone mone thari EXP to so de chbo shoot ngue mesle EXP to koran zone ya pe keso anda de EXP to koran so Puerto Pereso la zone Risha thari EXP to koran so shi nimo Risha and de la easy da AKS easy gi AKS lo la so this is like a 2v3 situation. It is like a very good situation for EG to wipe out AKS from the match and EG gi ta di chance de lakpa ni lo la so Gandhi koran thar sa sha Gandhi koran shoot thar bulle sa sha Gandhi koran one pause ki Gandhi sport china Gandhi la spray shina super rare sha ine pause ki Gandhi sa te do pause ki AKS rang ta disha AKS finish tang tho share sha koran zu and Gandhi ti para de motor and Gandhi koran phe tu so Gandhi koran placement point do juje ta inayang pause gi AKS pain finish down su knock down so PKS pain knock down dio su ani gandhi koran la option yo mare da gandhi koran placement point chu do gyure an koran zone na judo so mota shra so koran zula AW the fake para fight through desha dela AW tenga fake view ta so fake ji membership su dila desha tenga one fake ta so IC knock down so fake rising ki IC knock down so ani shemba IC shemba member ganza ya druidu anda koran so fake paraboy ki one angle shooting ji musim so AW the fake para fight druidu rising back ni druidu Ryzen knockdown so AW tenga tharing ada for fake as member sungya AW tenga tare ani paraboy ki kill chig len to so paraboy ki tenga finish tenga ki 1 HP la clutch che so AW fake paraboy tang to so AW tenga ki ani fox kill da anda AW IC kona shi sa sha paraboy ki kora ma jong la IC kora nyum to chi to chi so and IC kora shi sa sha tenga with only 1 HP beautiful clutch by tenga ki 4 kills directly to tenga of fake clan like member shi ka tenga kora ki se so tharing beautiful gameplay by tenga ani cho shebala to di so ante ki kora da MC4 kora fight point yang du anda chane PS kora zone of standard le sa sha prefer le chu le sha ani AKS I guess they are out AKS Gandhi the EG ki AKS Gandhi finish down sa sha AKS Gandhi finish sha with that AKS is out of the game AKS kora zone ta new match de la AKS la kill chick AKS pen la kill chick machine do an placement point la to du kora zo placement la point chick mo do mare d match la AKS la point ni mo do ram du ta di AKS once na AKS kora zo leading team ne ta kora zo ma za re sha du chi du kisi PS kora zo ki nyo re PS ki kisi thari nya khutse wala jina PS one ya za ne PS ki AKS ti be shu thari chance ya du AKS wipe out cha sa re ta kisi di PS ki ha bona PS kora zo safe se ne kill lene chicken jigrana ki PS guaranteed for first position PS first position ramp guaranteed to rate like this other PS ki yaputse se origina let's see what PS do okay ben should be ani dela marvel ta if para fight when yang to ada chane marvel ga ji thor finish do sare EG ki tang re EG la da EG ya bu shoot se de sha EG la ba kill ngai re anda marvel ga chi ka AKS as member shi marvel tifu khona chi pure sha anda chane dela marvel tifu da if ka chi member shi ka du khona zo marvel ga chi member shimba di wa ne le de sha just the group khona ni map ka southern part du with that Tifu kona map is not part of do Tifu kona chipuresha 1v4 will Tifu be able to do 1v4 TPT yende kona so how ku sare Tifu de la yo net yu so in net yo maso yende ga net chix na yo ba resha nga yende ga no de chomido Tifu gi no tan so Tifu gi captain no tan so boga captain Tifu locha so Tifu kona da chanti skill china akire kala boga captain kona ya do shukula kona zo Tifu gi finish tan pere boga captain da ya do sam midu Tifu with beautiful net ni shu so Tifu gi boga captain finish tan to chi so Tifu beautiful spray by Tifu left flank right flank judo TPT yende gi Tifu kona follow chine right flank ne lead do TPT yende gi Tifu lo ya do it's a fight between TPT Yuente and Tifu and Johnson ki pass turne for angle jiksun ne dedesha if Achilles koran sanda pushing sin 1 year juli do unsexy star ki MC4 DMR op tan so Tifu ki TPT Yuente knock down so it's a 2v1 situation. Tifu with the beautiful gameplay. If Achilles ki yamne lead do Tifu ki if Achilles thong if Achilles thong samare Tifu koran ki if Achilles ki yamne net you so ine net inyo maso Tifu lo koran net risk dun la so the Tifu koran jabla if Achilles yo ha kumi do Tifu ki if Achilles ki ta sena if Achilles ki Tifu se sare troll nini ki Marvel crew tang so anda chene Marvel ga ji member nyo di knock reta Marvel thambo thor finish to say and Tifu knock down so if Achilles with a beautiful gameplay khora one gora flank shooting jibule so kusim simla and Tifu gora sulle chu so khora damla khora sulle ada khoe Tifu finish down so Tifu ki 2v1 da tang to so khora TPT yente khora knock down so Shambani de khora so se tu maso and troll ki Marvel with that Marvel finish down so the Marvel grew to finish down so Marvel thought Jester is alone. He's in Porto Paresto and the gala unsexy the MC4 para fight with the shot. MC4 member ni me do unsexy ki MC4 member ni finish down sa shot. Banana whiskey kesto ang koranzo MC4 같이 member la mata chia koranzo zone na zuel ke chia ti so hada chale kana zone na la kizi zone chuji jin du team ma misum so pyure an zone chuji na la misum so pyure kizi kena position yo yo chimotna zone chu nanglo le tios kela one tapata drive spray cho gangza le star gili chi etone star koranzo na le sasha position shu ning jumu chusha rigan la star gi du rigan la miche midu anda chane 4TP koranzo pa 4TP Cobra de la Lidisha out. Koranzo star konzo unsexy gi MC4 was member ni tang mi do member ni gala do member chik de la do 4TP Cobra koranzo na le ne koranzo Veros lo de la halo. Ja ji kangba shin nazo ringbu ji hold chin de sha koran Veros ya Veros shimbushtu Veros hold chin de sha Cobra gi. Koranzo shabanzo da rotate in the level carry sha kana na rotate kisi zone na khatu zule na koranzo ha kore unsexy din ma zuyo. Oh, sorry for that. Della PS da pick up para fight kore sha easy koranzo zone na zusong easy koranzo zone na le sha the airdrop number 5 na la khardo TPT yendegi EG bathroom tang so Johnny Sins ki EG ken kani ki tang so EG ga ji pause model ha mare pause kona zona ji one li du pause kona solo joni ta biasha sheba ki solo manduna if ki pause kona ta nya shu shu du if thari ya shu ze lesha if with 7 kills already discharge member shi if he clear ta re dia EG ga ji member ni ga la Marvel Tifu if koranzo kill do starting strong if koranzo starting strong resha pata pause kona ta placement point chu zuer sha ni khora jusa de ma AW dun da ran de sha AW ma se kisi khora ki strike in judo na draw ta K2S ni ka koranzo wala de sha and zone EXP2 koranzo round down to EXP2 with a beautiful zone called zone shooting ju judo koranzo hada de la fight took so Marvel Jester ki panda bond finished us top Pika APS top notan gitu Marvel Jester draw Nini and God Kelsan koranzo sum triangle chila suini de desha da koranzo sum sui move tang suina di tagure and de la PS da pika para fight thusha pika joy ki PS top notan sa PS top ne revive te khabu chere sha PS top kora revive PS top revive te sa sha koranzo yi PS top la Mad Max ki revive te sha flame the drop koran so rigang do flame the drop flame TPT yende gyanda PS flame la ine Johnny Sins kona if ki PS la Johnny Sins ki PS la spetar ji du AW ki koran so la phane Johnny Sins kona no tan so kamu shucha de shanda if koran so situation if kill do de le ni anda chani sandwich so AW ta PS para la ni koranzo boda de torso da koranzo zone na zudu gozo PS ta AW ki man or zo kere sha koranzo and YouTuber hang koranzo dol ka je member koran one gabdele de sha if Achilles ki thong so notice chi sa sha if Achilles ki dol hang YouTuber hang koran na ho zuyo YouTuber hang koran zo sandwich chasu tam chane YouTuber hang AW da direct ko para la bisha koran la bandage ni mo do koran la healing item YouTuber hang ki za zon na mo suna ta koran thara re do koran la healing item ko do if Achilles is straight up so if Achilles ki YouTuber hang knock down so if Achilles with a great skill if Japan ta kill gyod re if koran so chi and the if ki declare down to go so AW ki ta koran so ha ko sare if de la yo and AW ki ga ne ta koran so if la if that zone na tangi mare ta AW ki koran so and the shupurula K2S koran so zone na fall back shidu unsexy Pika EXP2 ani PS Joel Nini Marvel Jester ki finished down so Marvel Jester the sole surviving member of Marvel clan ani if Achilles finished down so if kaji Tenga e part done Tenga da AW Tenga da Fox Scale ki if kaji member Shembani di finished down so ani if kaji member last member di Grimer ki finish down so if Achilles koran the Grimer koran the dodan koran spray down so Grimer not also got kelsan ki Grimer finish down so got kelsan K2S Grimer ta AW koran zo la member ni mo to ha mi do Fox Scale la tenga ta Fox Scale tenga koran zo Grimer la cover che ga lead wi ne cover che thuma so ta koran zo got mi do zinya na pika opcha gya da chane di la pika da for MC4 para fight to the shot Binod OP knocked down so MC4 Binod OP pika opcha gi Binod OP clear down so pika opcha gi and ta MC4 as last member OTP Cobra koran zone na judo koran zone na jusa daran la EXP2 koran zo hol chin de sha EXP2 tharing mone koran zone yoy nim jim hol chi du koran so compound dagar ran la zone chasare ni duksa du EXP2 I thought the 4GP Cobra I have to do la member yo dum compound la mi yo guarantee koran so have to koran ki have to do koran chu nang lon chere sha 4GP Cobra this is the third time tangi ngue Irangle match le ko chu ni juji koran so MC14 dia li ta koran so chu ga ji chu che ala zon zon na yu go so EXP2 ki I love you ta so anya ngue ga Saint Martin match le 4GP Cobra koran zon chu na juni le dio de and last the start ki finish down there 4GP Cobra koran chu ni juji koran so position fourth ya fifth position lo ko ke tu ri ta thari ji ko technique ko chi ga bu da ri sha koran chu na du Got Kelsan koran K2S as last member re AW Tenga AW Fox ke AW Tenga ki Marvel Jester chusare Marvel Jester koran zone na le yati zone koran zone na le shaine Marvel Jester ki AW Tenga notice chi so AW Tenga khatu or zone na judo so spray rasare AW Tenga koran show kan ne AW Fox ke knock down so Marvel Jester ki AW Fox ke knock down so Jester ki AW Fox ke koran finish do so Jester with a beautiful game the Jester one ya pti do PS Flame ki AW Tenga finish down so taring EXP2 koran zo zone na lo coach de disha EXP2 thagi match to koran ti ne yo koran zo one gora pon ya ku shu ra de ta kisi hada match le kisi koran zo ta angi ya ku le ne kisi ya le gora jina ani koran zo one 토베 가지 얘가 숙식부 쉬우도 안기 담보 발레네 안기 니와 수발레 얘가 숙식부 쉬우도 하나 EXP2 got a Marvel Jester ki finish down so knock PS ki down so ine finish Marvel Jester ki down so Marvel Jester ki kill shi lensa sha Marvel ga kill chu ni kill shi Marvel Jester koran rang ga ji resha Jester adashi ne yaku shiu zi du got kelsan koran wala ta zone na ya ju chi resha unsexy da pika para fight de sha unsexy da pika mijagi unsexy banana knock down so unsexy star no resha unsexy kasto give Kasto ki banana lang ki tu whiskey ki star lang sa so koran zo tapika ya zule o kya risha kanna zona zuera koran zo unsexy crossing zuera sha ine ko gang la PS ka ji drop the top dog ki unsexy location jisa sha second ni sub tu modu mitu koran zo zona zu du unsexy zona la zu du go su one kora PS ka me nyangsare ada team top 6 team la le sa sha EXP2 pika unsexy PS K2S Star blows so drop ki spray tar ne Tela MK flame ki MK shooting du tar du flame ki unsexy la MK ki chat tap tar du anda chane Pika Okja ki I start knockdown so PS flame ki start knockdown so top ki unsexy banana knockdown so kasto da whiskey model hami du anda chane kasto ki mija knockdown so start finish down so kasto knockdown so whiskey model hami du unsexy as member unsexy zone ki mone khora so unsexy whiskey la spray rani unsexy clear do so unsexy is the top 15 आणि ता तादा शने EXP2 दा पिकल हा देशा अंदा शने पिका नोक्ता सो EXP2 की EXP2 ने यातरिंग या को शूची दु EXP2 कोरा जो EXP2 मेंबर नि मदो मिदु लक्सी दा स्नैक्स ओपी रेशा EXP2 कोरा जो PS ता कोरा जो रिग्रुप छि सो PS ला को जोन दु ता is a guaranteed chicken for PS the Pika Okja the EXP2 snacks obi la desha the khoran zo team ni ne sunge la shi mi re third position the second position sui ling mi ke chage EXP2 anda chani ni ta tu go point position la tu go su EXP2 one go ra tharing top 3 la le chance shu bu shu du khora top third thanda ne cha sa sha EXP2 khora Pika Okja ki clutch te tu yena Pika Okja lagan spray raidu Pika Okja ki EXP2 member ni para clutch te tu yena this is a very big question EXP2 snacks OP ki smoke wall so Okja ki koran smoke wall so Okja ya juli do snacks OP ki one spray ta so snacks OP ki Pika player ta so it's a 2v4 situation and that to zone PS la pal do ta koran so EXP2 chicken is a very tough situation PS flame ki EXP2 snacks opita so is Laxi Kora chi surviving member Ray PS ki rush to so EXP2 Laxi la flame ki finish ta so Laxi finish to so a beautiful gameplay by PS tangi map la yakut se most Kora zo third map jala dominate kurshi so PS ki PS Koranzo 17 kills with chicken. The PS ki one hora thari AKS overtake share was nyanga shuk shoot with anda dela dukes the PS ki AKS peji overtake shi sari EXP2 Koranzo kill shidu agi niwa resha dia shoot se Koranzo ani Pika Koranzo agi sumbala resha kill sumdu penta not penta I'm sorry K2S Koranzo angi shiwala resha kill ni tu unsexy kill ni tu angi ngawa MC4 Koranzo angi thupa Marvel Koranzo angi dumbala resha kill thukdu ya ko shure AW Koranzo angi gewala kill thukdu Eve Koranzo angi guala kill gedu if la one gora kill gede Koranzo ya ko shoot tu sha Joel Koranzo angi chuala Easy Koranzo angi chukchik la Chungi la bot, Choksom la AKS, Chukshi la fake, Chunga la Disa, Chuchuk la one way. And with that, we have come to the end of Tibetan Community Cup. Ani Handamodo support share la Samalo la Tuchina Shuyi, Maranzo unsexy clan ye Tushina Shuyi, Kranzo Samala. Ani Samalo and the Maranzo ji first ever tournament. Tibetan Community Cup di Kranzola to show ye rewa subscribe like share the channel majero thank you thanks for watching see you next time.